This is the Precalculus Fall 2016 ACP Preview, problem 28. What is the sum of the infinite geometric series? You have a sequence here, negative 9/8 plus 3/4 minus 1/2 plus 1/3 plus so on. So there's a pattern. You're given the clue that's a geometric series. There is a formula that's going to be very helpful to us. Without the formula, you'd have to recognize this pattern and be able to continue it. And we're going to find out what it is. Well, what you have is there's a formula which for n equals 1 to infinity of a sub n, you sum all these terms from 1 to infinity, what that's going to be equal to is the first term, a sub 1, over 1 minus r. This is going to be off your ACP formula chart. The thing you need to find is r. And r stands for our common ratio. And how you find r is you take a sub n divided by a sub n minus 1. So you need to take two of these terms next to each other and find the ratio of them. And what we're going to do is take these two terms here. We have 1/3 divided by negative 1/2. So I'm going to put 1/3 here in the numerator and negative 1/2 in the denominator. So 1/3 divided by 1/2. Let's see, dividing by a fraction, the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So that's going to be equal to 1/3 times the reciprocal of 1/2 of negative 1/2 is negative 2 over 1. So we're going to get negative 2/3. And should you doubt me, if we go to our calculator, we can take this 1/3 so I'll say 1/3 divided by negative 1 over 2, and you get negative 2/3. So that checks out. So negative 2/3. So what we're going to have for our answer is going to be our first term. Well, our first term is a sub 1 is negative 9 over 8. And we're going to divide by 1 minus r. So that's going to be 1 minus, and then we're going to have negative 2/3. So if we can just put this in the calculator properly, we're going to get our correct answer. So going back to the calculator, control, we're going to have in the numerator, we're going to have negative 9 over, negative 8. Let's try negative 9. 8 divided by 1 minus, I'm going to put in negative 2 divided by 3. There we go. That should be it. And so it arranges everything. After we press it, we get negative 27 over 40. 27/40ths, which is going to be answer choice B. Now, when you can follow the pattern and keep on going and add 20 terms, you're going to get very close to one of these numbers, but not exactly to it. And so and you can use the summation thing in your calculator as well to help out with it. But this is the best way, most efficient way to do it. I know of using the calculator for just your formulas and plugging into the formulas to find, first of all, what R is, and then with R you can use this infinite series formula and go through with that and find your answer. Good luck. Let me encourage you also to take a look at problems 28A and 28B for additional practice. Thanks for viewing.